Hello guys, welcome back to Lavamat. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to reset AEG Lavamat washing machine. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So in this case, if you're having some problems with your AEG Lavamat washing machine, or generally speaking here, it's not working properly or showing any error codes here, a reset is a good idea. So it solves a lot of issue here. So how do you do this? So first thing they want to do is you want to turn off your machine and basically unplug it from the power source. Now if you can't unplug it from the power source here, I would recommend you to basically look for the switch for it, or the in this case the breaker that is connected to your washing machine here. Just basically cut off the power from it. Now what you need to do is just need to let this sit like around 10 to 15 minutes here, if you can, more, like for example an hour or even a whole day if you can, to allow any remaining power to drain from your washing machine. Now after waiting a while here, plug it back in, turn it on, and some AEG Lavamat models here may have a reset option in the settings, so you need to check your user manual just in case, see if you need to use this specific feature. But then again, this is just for some models out there, so it's best to check the manual first. Now from then on, you want to go and run a test cycle here without any laundry, and this helps confirm that everything is back to normal before you start using it again, or actually using it again. And if your washing machine is showing any error codes here, check if they're still there after the reset. So if they are, the problem might be a lot deeper here. So usually AEG can actually give you further support for this one. You may need to contact their support in order for you to solve this one, if you can't rid of the error codes that you're currently seeing right now. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lavamat. Thank you for watching.